Formations gives self-employed professionals the year-round playbook for managing their back office, saving a substantial amount on taxes in the process, but more importantly, bringing peace of mind to you and your business. This playbook provides end-to-end best practices for the self-employed, structuring all of it to create the most tax-efficient business possible. Best of all, Formation's AI-powered platform does all the heavy lifting, and our team of tax and accounting experts are here to make sure your unique business is set up properly and running smoothly year-round. The first step is to incorporate your business. This gives you tax advantages that simply reporting 1099 income will not. Formations will guide you through this entire process. First, by getting a snapshot of your current financial picture, and then walking you through the incorporation process, gathering personal and business information, and prompting you to upload the necessary documents for verification and incorporation. Next, you'll need a business bank account so your business and personal finances stay separate, protecting you from a messy IRS audit. If you don't have one, we'll set one up for you directly in your Formations app. And if you do already have one, you can simply connect it to your Formations account. If you can't decide, we're happy to help there too. If you've incorporated as an S-Corp to save on self-employment tax, it's time to set up payroll. In your Formations dashboard, you can see past and upcoming payroll, download or view pay stubs. You can also set up your payroll to take taxes directly out of each check, getting rid of that end-of-the-year panic. And even cancel or change an upcoming payroll if something comes up. After all, you're the boss. For off-cycle payrolls, let's say you just got a monster commission check and are going on vacation, you can add a note and opt to take taxes directly out of that payroll or not. Your business is incorporated, your bank account connected, and payroll is running. Let's talk about ongoing accounting. From your Formations dashboard, you'll always see the most pressing items, like unknown transactions. These transactions weren't clear-cut enough for our software to automatically classify, so you can simply add a category and get back to your day. There's also a tab for your business mileage reporting and business use of home expenses, which can have major tax benefits for the self-employed. You can break down transactions by expenses or income and add notes so you know what each transaction is about. Here's to the Anderson deal. Back in your dashboard, you have a filterable P&L chart and can see all upcoming events. By having the proper business entity, you also have access to benefits that are normally reserved for W-2 employees, like health insurance and retirement savings plans. Formations will facilitate and pay premiums directly from your payroll. And finally, it all comes together with taxes. Saving you money on your taxes is why we built Formations. When you log into your Formations dashboard this time of year, your tax return status will be the first thing you see. In this case, your 1120S, your business tax return, has an action item for you. When you click on it, you can see some filing options and your open items list. The open items list includes documents we need in order to file your taxes. For example, your end-of-year bank statement. You can upload a document or select it from one of your previously uploaded items. You're also able to leave a comment or question for our team about this specific document request. While your payroll can include regular tax payments throughout the year, sometimes you may need to make a direct payment, and you can do that from right within your Formations dashboard. No need to mail anything in. Simply choose state or federal, the amount, and the date you'd like to make your payment, and you're all set. In your dashboard, you can also track your estimated federal and state taxes for the year, and your current liability, making sure that you are always on the right page. Finally, access your past tax forms and every document you've uploaded to Formations in your document center. And if you have questions, Formations has harnessed the knowledge of our tax and accounting team to power our AI agent, Max. Max is equipped to answer all of your self-employed tax questions, and ask some of its own to help you get to the right outcome. With your back office on autopilot, you'll never have to sweat tax season again.